Shutterbugs, it's another episode of Riley Photos, ridiculous ideas, and today I'm going to answer a question that a lot of amateur snappers have asked me. If you could have any camera, what would you choose? Well, there are more cameras on the market than grains of sand in the Sahara, aren't there? New ones announced every single day, but I didn't want to constrain myself with the boredom of reality. No, that would be boring. Buckle up, this is what I'd go for. Now picture this, if you will, a camera so small it fits into the palm of your hand, but its image quality is as mind-blowing as a 50 gigapixel space telescope circling Jupiter. You can practically tattoo these stunning images onto your eyeballs. They have so much detail. Unbelievable. But wait, there is more. Because this camera, equipped with turbo boosters and wings, transforms into a mega suit. Say goodbye to boring tripods, because now you can perch atop skyscrapers, hang from tree branches like a deranged paparazzi. The sky is the limit, baby. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? If only we could get that camera. Let's not forget the cherry on top of the cake, eh? Because our camera comes to life. It makes decisions for you, like politely asking people to step into your frame or kindly informing them to zip up those nose-picking moments. Imagine the joy of having your camera dance around, capturing all those perfect, candid shots. Hey, it'd be just like having your own personal minion, wouldn't it? A kind of camera minion, and we all need one of those. But hold on, folks, because we're not done yet. No, this camera, it's got a built-in printing feature. But instead of regular ink, that's boring. Now this sprays cold, hard cash. That's right, every photo you take comes with a little bonus, and you have stacks of greenbacks piling up faster than you can say it's raining money. Hallelujah! How long have I been waiting for this camera? Take a 2 lime to come. My hair's getting in my eye, can't see a thing. As for the grand finale, prepare yourselves. Our dream camera transcends not only space, but also time. With a simple push of a button, you'll travel back in time to capture those historic moments like dinosaurs and cavemen. Hey, say cheese. Or maybe forwards. Maybe you could go forwards and snap a selfie with those AI robots that are ruling the planet now. But I think you know where this is going, don't you? And for all your foodies out there, this camera has it covered. A secret talent. Oh yes, it'll whip up the most delicious pancakes. While you say cheese, the camera lens dispense batter and voila, pancakes shaped like your own face. This is the camera all of us need. Fuji, Nikon, Canon, Sony, why don't you make it? I know why. Apologies, folks. It seems the camera's imagination circuit's just overheated with all the extraordinary features, not to mention the small nuclear reactor I need to build just to charge this sucker up every day. No, it seems reality has regained hold on our dreamy device. It's not going to exist, is it? It's never going to exist. What a shame. But hey, wouldn't it be amazing if somebody out there could make these dreams come true? Could you imagine the chaos? The world flooded with money printing cameras and pancake flipping photo shoots. That's a world I'd like to live in. You know what I mean? But hey, photographers, fear not. Before we bid adieu, I think you should remember this. Imagination like that knows no bounds. And even though physics might clip our wings from time to time, there is nothing stopping us from capturing the magic of the photos we dream with the conventional cameras we've already got. So grab your cameras, my fellow dreamers, and always reach for the perfect shot. Don't let cameras constrain you. Whether it's a pancake flipping camera you've got or a smartphone, I don't care. Just go out, because the next most important photo in history, well, that could be yours. You just got to be in the right place at the right time and spot the picture. You know what I'm saying? That's all for today. Look, stay tuned for our next episode, because next time is really exciting. We're going to explore the wild world of underwater Scrabble photography. And believe that, and you'll believe anything. Until then, keep dreaming and keep snapping.